Best ways to make money online in 2023. Many people today turn to digital solutions to save operational costs, expand their reach, and make money online. Not only that, but various new job opportunities have also taken the spotlight thanks to the rapid growth of technological advances and remote work trends. As a result, practically anyone can get a supplementing income by offering services or selling their creations through various online platforms. The opportunities to make extra cash today are more generous than ever. In this article, we'll show our picks of 35 short and long-term ways you can make money online. Number 1, pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language. Check sites such as Django or 1 Hour Translation, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what kind of freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know if you're charging too much or too little. Number 2, test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well or not so well certain websites and apps work. You'll have to pass a short test to be accepted. Then you'll be paid $10 for each 20-minute test, which involves a recording and answering 4 follow-up written questions. Or you could earn up to $120 to participate in a video conversation with a customer after your test. Number 3, pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you'll be assigned can be tedious, tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price for each task and get to approve the finished product before paying you. That can leave room for scams, so do your research. Join a community like the MTurk Crowd Forum or the MTurk and Turker Nation subreddits, which can steer you away from shifty dealers. These communities and fellow workers can answer questions and give a realistic idea of how much money you can expect to make. Number 4, make money from your blog as an affiliate. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you can make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you, get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way. Number 5, sell your wares on Etsy. Have a penchant for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery, or pottery? Sell your goods on Etsy, the go-to site for artisans selling home goods, art, and knickknacks. Etsy boasts almost 82 million active buyers and grossed over $10 billion in merchandise sales in 2020, according to the website. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to this channel. Number 6, get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. With Google AdSense, businesses pay to advertise around your content. The service is free, but there are requirements you must meet. Number 8, become an Instagram influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large dedicated followings on the platform, to rep their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like Open Influence or AspirIQ, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. I hope you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe this channel for more videos like this.